Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's how-to guide I'm going to show you how to add a glitch effect transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So we're in Premiere Pro here, and I've already imported the PRC logo. It's the outro that we've been using on the how-to guides. So let's have a look. So far that's what it looks like just as you run it, but what we're going to do is going to make that glitch effect. Now first of all, you don't want to be working on that main frame. Okay, we want to be copying this. Okay, so let's select that frame. If you hold down the option key, select the frame, drag and drop, it copies it. Lovely little top tip there for you. It just makes the workflow so much quicker. So this is the frame, this copied frame, that's the one we're going to be working on. So we get up to the effects drop down menu. Now if we come across to the video effects, find distort, select that, and we are going to select wave warp. Select that, drag that onto our frame, just pop that in there, and you can see that that's already changed. So if we just run that, that just gives us the nice waved effect, but that's not what we're going to be using. We're going to work a little bit more on that to make it a little bit more realistic. So if we come across here to the left under wave warp, wave type, we want to make this noise. There we go. So let's run that. It's nice and noisy. That's what we're going to be working with. But again, to make it realistic, we want to be making sure that our edges are pinned as well. So on pinning, select all edges, and now we want to cut this layer up. So hit C on the keyboard, and then just sporadically just cut that into different segments, as many as you like, but make sure that each segment aren't uniform, so they're different sizes, just to give that element of realism. And then what we're going to do, hit V for the select tool, choose our frame, and using the wave height and wave width, we're going to adjust the height and width to add element of realism, and that's the key here, it's adding realism. So if we leave the first one as it is, let's select a second, let's just change that. So you can change these to whatever you like, so I'll just rattle through these nice and quickly. The key really is to mess about with it until you find something, until you're happy. So if we just run those first three through, there we go. So let's leave that fourth as it is. Just finish it off. The last ones. There we go. Now let's run that through. There it is. That is how you create a glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Guys, I hope you found this useful, and I will see you next time.